Hey y'all, Bear. Look here, the other week I told you about smoked mushrooms. I told you about smoked mushrooms my way versus what I did in the video. So we got the button mushrooms today. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some smoked mushrooms. We got charcoal going. You can duplicate this in the fire pit. And it's real simple. You just need some Italian dressing. Button mushrooms, Italian dressing. Whatever you like. Go cheap, that's what I did. If you're gonna carry this off to camp and do it at camp, you could get those little packets, little 50-cent packets they sell by the salads at the grocery store. Whoops. So when you get to camp, put you some Italian dressing in the mushrooms, mix them around, let them start marinating while the fire gets going. That's it. Hors d'oeuvres, snacks. This is camp food, stuff we need when we're sitting around, we're talking our government conspiracies and all that good stuff. Aliens, Area 51, you name it. When we're deep in conversation at camp, we need some hors d'oeuvres. So look here, we've got the smoked mushrooms I talked about. I've had them sitting there hanging out in some olive oil. I've had them sitting here hanging out in some Italian dressing now for about an hour. And we're gonna get the smoke bomb ready for our grill. And what we're going to do is put this smoke bomb on the coals indirectly of the mushrooms and let them hang out for about 15 minutes. So one way to do this is to take yourself a piece of foil. And this is a good way to get a lot of smoke out of a little bit of wood. We're going to put a little bit of wood there. We are gonna seal that puppy up. And then we're just gonna take and poke about 3 little smoker holes on each side of our foil packet. Now the idea here is that we start to smolder the wood, but we don't actually ignite it because we've choked off the oxygen. It smokes, it comes out of the holes. Look here, it's time to smoke those mushrooms. Remember our button mushrooms? We're in the dark now. Daggone, this time of year is crazy. We're going to make some adjustments to our grill. Get our smoker packet. Get that guy right on the charcoal. Now we're going to go on the grate with the mushrooms. Alright, now we're just going to go right on the grate here with the mushrooms. Woo, they're slick little guys. And just like we did the cheddar biscuits, we're gonna cover. And I'm gonna cover it even more. About 250. And you know what, y'all? Y'all could smoke anything like this at the park grill. I'm just gonna let them hang out now for about 15 minutes and we'll come back and eat one. Can y'all see it? Do you see it happening? That's straight up smoker action going on right there, y'all. Now generally, my wood of choice here is apple wood. But you know, you use what you like. Alright, can y'all see what we got going on here? It's dark. I'll tell you what, my black diamond lantern is doing its thing though. It's my filming light right now. Let's see what we've got. Y'all ready for the big reveal? Aren't those pretty? Let's get them on a plate. These are gonna be so good. And you know what? Like if you want to make like a whole little hors d'oeuvre tray out of this guy, you can get yourself some olive packets to put on there. We got black olives and we got green olives. and you could get some summer sausage or any other shelf-stable sausage you like and slice that up and run that around there. Maybe some slices of a hard cheese. All that'll keep at camp. Make yourself a nice little snack tray for everybody to enjoy. You will be the popular guy at camp. Or gal. Ladies can do this too. So let's see what we got. Oh man, y'all, so good. It's sweet and smoky and earthy. A little tangy with the Italian dressing. Oh yeah. I'll go back for another one. And y'all saw it was just that easy, okay? So get out there, smoke something at camp, and we'll see you on the trail.